Welcome back to Just Cook. As part of our fakeaway meals we're doing while we're on lockdown, just for a bit of fun, I thought we'd do a sausage and egg McMuffin. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple to do. The most technical part to do is the egg, so I'm going to show you that bit before we make the egg McMuffin. So to get started, what you need to do, you need a frying pan, you need a little ring to put cook the eggs in, which I've put a little bit of oil around. Then you need to pour some water in there just to cover the base of the pan. Put the heat up, and then carefully crack 2 eggs into that. One and 2. Then we're going to put the lid on that. Oh, 1 second, mine's got a little handle on it I need to put down. And then put the lid on that, let that come to a boil and simmer. And it's almost just poaching eggs, but it's just getting, as McDonald's like, the shape to the eggs. So we're just going to let that simmer. And then when that's cooked, I'm going to pop them out, and we're then going to make the egg McMuffin. Okay, so I've cooked my egg, I've lifted it out. A little bit, run a knife around the edge, popped it out, and as you can see, it's come out a lovely shape. I've got my sausage, I've got my cheese, I've got my butter, and I've got my muffins. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to brush. I've toasted the muffins, they're nicely toasted. Just going to brush nicely with some butter. Good bit, nice bit of butter on there. And so then we're going to put our cheese. Then we're going to put our sausage pate. I've grilled that as you would a burger or anything else. Then egg on top, slide that on carefully, and you can cook your egg, you know, as soft or as hard as you want it. And then we pop on our top, and there we go. Nice breakfast egg McMuffin. Does that make you hungry? Try it out, and we'll have some more fakeaways coming up in the week. Enjoy.